Hey everybody, it's Brian, back with another 3D print. And guess what? I'm sure you're all shocked. It's another fidget toy for my son. So this one today is called the Infinity Triangle Cube Fidget Toy by Silver. Cool username on MakerWorld. So I've already pulled it into Bambu Studio. I've replicated it a bunch of times, so we're gonna get, geez, I forget how many copies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 copies. And it should be done just before school in the morning. All right, it's already sliced, and I've actually already sent it off to the printer. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll check it out in the morning. All right, it's the morning. Let's open it up and check it out. Cool. Let's give it a flex. Very cool. Cool. Well, it's another fidget in the books.